face! Yare yare does it. Throw an elbow.
Hi everyone, this is Rachel Dadon here in the beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. I just saw something and I decided I have to share with you a renovation tip because I did the same mistake in my own house. So when you are choosing a backsplash, look how stunning this backsplash is. The thing is, I don't know if you are able to see, but it's like different depths to it. Now it looks stunning, but my personal recommendation is right next to the cooktop, choose something that is straight, because when you are cooking and things spill on the wall, these ones will be really hard to clean. I have the same issue in my own house. It looks stunning, but it's really hell to clean them after you cook. Or just eat outside. That's also a possibility.
Over your face! Yare yare does it. Throw an elbow.